name is Judith, and I live in Watchung, New Jersey, and I am a patron of M&A Tree Service. They've been fabulous for me. I have 4 acres of property here, and they took care of all my trees, told me which ones had to come down, try to save as many as possible, noticed diseases on my trees that the other tree companies that I've been using never even brought up to me. They've been coming to me for about the last 6-7 years. When they leave, it's blown, it's swept, you wouldn't even know they were here. M&A is a trustworthy company. All in all, I give them 100%.